In this video I'm going to show you how to replace and remove the braid plate on the Scalextric slot cars. This one's a hornby and it's a batmobile, so it's quite easy to do. So I've got a replacement one here, and then we'll show you how to check it after. So what we do first is you push forwards. This one might be a little bit easier than the one you've currently got, but this is the basic rundown. Push it forwards, lift it up over this part here in the center, and that just comes off like that. Now the other one goes on in the opposite order, so make sure your wires are facing backwards. Slide it on like that, push it over, and then push it back. Now the best way to test it to make sure that it's gone on properly, obviously make sure that these connections here are touching the bottom plates, but you can get a 9-volt battery and then connect one to one side, one to the other. And what you should see, if it's connected up right, is the back tires running. So as you can see, that's how you can test it and put it all together.